How to uninstall FireKirin app. First of all, go to your device settings and find the Apps or Application Manager section. Scroll through the list and locate the FireKirin app. Tap on the app and then select Uninstall. Confirm your choice if prompted. The app will be completely removed from your device along with its data. It's a good idea to restart your device after uninstalling to ensure everything works smoothly. You can reinstall FireKirin later if you want to continue playing without any problems. Once the uninstallation is complete, your device storage will be freed up and FireKirin will no longer appear in your apps list. This process is helpful if you want to troubleshoot issues, clear space, or prepare a fresh installation. Now you know how to uninstall FireKirin app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more gaming tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.